Here's the 1965 RCA Victor table radio. I'm going to take a look inside. This is a unfortunate victim of silver mica disease. Today we're joined by the Dayton box fan made by Lakewood. It's not focusing for some reason. I have two box fans. I have stopped getting box fans because all I need is two, so I'm not a box fan collector. Yes, it says solid state. This is from 1965. I have another solid state radio from the 60s. Philco Ford. No, it's not supposed to be that gold. That's nicotine stain. For some reason, there's an issue. The volume's turned down all the way, but you can still hear it. Anyway, this video's not about that. It's about this. This was going to be my bedside radio, but has crackle in the background, which I'm pretty sure is silver mica disease. It is a RGC 37L maple. Here it is. You can see a few transistors with these heat sinks on them. This thing works. There's just background crackle, which I believe is silver mica disease. And sometimes this will get stuck. So the lady who sold me this thought there was something wrong with this. So I took the back off. Oh, speaking of that, I used an error-appropriate screwdriver. I do believe it's a Dunlap. So turn the fan back down to medium. Medium, not off. And you can see some capacitors in here. You can see a date of 65. Yes, there were solid state radios at the time in the 60s, mid 60s, but not televisions yet, because, well, there's some black and whites. But yeah, color TV is complicated, so wasn't a whole lot of those around. Here's the banana slicer. I do believe I sprayed the potentiometers with contact cleaner. Here's the plug with the interlock. Transformer. It's got a nice speaker. We'll try it out. I like how the circuit board looks. There's only 3 electrolytics. I think these are electrolytics too, just kind of different. If you ever wonder what the awkward pause is for, I just like looking in here. I'm not going to do this type of video with this because I already did it. And I don't know if I did this on video yet for this one. Probably not, because I can't find the video. So yeah, here it is. Nice size speaker. And I have it set to the classical music station because it's listener funded and basically commercial free. And I did blow it out, even though it looks like it didn't do it. Here's the basic condition of it. So yeah, let me put it back together and we'll put it on the station. Actually, it's already on the station. Duh. I was looking at these screw holes and I was just thinking, they ever get worn out? You know, kind of like the RCA CTC 89, the color track in the house. The screw holes wear out. You just drill them out and put a nut at the end. So it just screws into the nut. So that's pretty nice. Here we go. That wasn't long. That cool thing right there I did. Can't do that with a phone. So, here we go. Almost forgot where the power on switch is. Is that? Oh, that's the tuner. Hold on. Off/loudness. It's an on vol. Oh. It's on. No, it's not on FM, AM. Oh, jeez. Okay, what the hell is the deal? It's humid and in here it's not climate controlled. That's why I brought the Zenith in the house and it's just as good as it was, and this one's like failing now. Huh. Well, that sucks. Anyway, you can see this working in a vlog that I did. Don't worry, it's in the intro so you don't have to suffer through the whole thing. You can watch the whole thing if you want.